Hey there. Today I'm gonna show you how you can give the access to someone or your customer or your not customer actually your developer designer or someone else. I'm gonna show you how you can do. So this is my partner account. I have to log in first. First of all, I have to log in my store. So let me log in. Okay. Okay. Then you have to once you come on your store, then on the left hand side, on the bottom side, you can able to see the settings. So just click here, and then on the sidebar there is the user and permission. So just click here. This is too easy actually. Okay, now can I see the staff account? So customize what you staff member can edit and access. You can add up to 15 staff member on this plan. So yeah, we can add up to 15. Okay, so I'm just gonna add new stuff here. My designer who will design my store. So I'll just give the name Muhammad Ali. You can give some your designer name. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this email actually. So let's go here. Okay, so just give here, and now this is the thing actually. So you have to careful about it. There is to permission. So here you can see if you want, then you can give all permission. If you don't want, then just select this, and whatever you don't want to give the access, you just keep it deselect. So I'm just gonna keep this deselect this finance and which on. Yeah, this is the finance actually. Okay, and also if you want to give this access the app permission, then you can give. Okay, then just send the invitation, and then the designer will get the invitation on their email, so they have to just accept it. That's it. I hope you understand. So if this video is helpful for you, then just subscribe my channel, and yeah, thank you for your watching my video. See you the next video.